welcome to Now Vauxhall. Here today we have a Vauxhall CASCADA 2 litre CDTI SE. 2-door fitted with a manual transmission. Finished in grey, the car was registered in April 2013 and as you can see is on a 13 plate. This car has a warranty mileage of 26,135 miles. The CASCADA has a CO2 figure of 138, which equates to a road fund licence fee of £130 annually. (18-inch 10-spoke alloy wheels), colour-coded door mirrors and door handles, rear parking sensors and high-intensity brake light. ISOFIX, storage, radio and CD player, air conditioning, leather covered multifunction steering wheel, electric windows and door mirrors, This is a now approved vehicle and comes fully serviced and ready to go with a 3-month comprehensive warranty. You can reserve this vehicle online with a £100 no quibble deposit or call our internet sales team to arrange a convenient appointment. If you are thinking of finance, we are confident we can beat any high street lender with our flexible dealer funding plans. Thank you for visiting Now Vauxhall.